G'day. This one is a sponsored video, sponsored by Shanghai CHISWEAR Industry Co Limited, www.chiswear.com. CHISWEAR is CHISWEAR.com. CHISWEAR sent me these products up here above my head, as you can see up there with their logo. The products are being aimed primarily at the jewellery supplier market, so this would be for your jewellery cabinets and so forth. I don't have a jewellery cabinet, I have a very large display cabinet. So we measured up my cabinet and sent the information about its size to CHISWEAR, who sent us back what they thought would be the optimal setup for my cabinet. What we received was these lovely boxes. They arrived together and they arrived very safe and very quickly. We got the power supply and lights in the smaller box, and though I was very careful opening the box when I need not have been, this plastic tube carried all of the strip for my unit. So that was a good sign, a good start. Together with that, I've received this electrical certification document to show that their product is electrically certified, making it safe for me to install in Australia and in most of the first world, given this is basically the American certification system which carries across the first world. So the next job was I laid out the power strip, got the power supply plugged in, it all came wired. And I went through the lights, had a look at what I had received, showed them to you obviously at the camera, and tested them all.